Saksakallan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
The Supreme One, who is celebrated as the Supreme Being or the Supreme Soul, is the supreme source of the cosmic manifestation, as well as its reservoir and winding up. Thus he is the Supreme Fountainhead, the Absolute Truth. Synonyms for the supreme source of all energies, as explained in the very beginning of the Srimad Bhagwatam, are Janmadi Ashyayata, Vedanti Tat Tattva Vidas Tattvam Yajnanam Advayam. Brahmeti Paramatmeti Bhagavan Iti Shabdyati, called Parbrahm, Paramatma, or Bhagwan. The word iti used here in this verse completes the synonyms and thus indicates Bhagwan. This will be further explained in the later verses, but this Bhagwan ultimately means Lord Krishna, because the Srimad Bhagavatam has already accepted the Supreme Personality of Godhead as Krishna. Krishna's two Bhagavans Swayam, the original source of all energies, or the summum bonum, is the Absolute Truth, which is called Parbrahm, etc., and Bhagwan is the last word of the Absolute Truth. But even with the synonyms for Bhagwan such as Narayan, Vishnu and Purusha, the last word is Krishna, as confirmed in the Bhagavad Gita, Aham Sarvasya Prabhavo Mata Samam Pravata, etc. Besides that, the Srimad Bhagavatam is the representation of Lord Krishna as a sound incarnation of the Lord. Thus, by general conclusion, Lord Krishna is the ultimate source of all energies, and the word Krishna means that. And to explain Krishna, or the science of Krishna, the Srimad Bhagavatam has been prepared. In the first canto of Srimad Bhagavatam, this truth is indicated in the questions and answers by Sutta Goswami and great sages like Shaunak, and in the first and second chapters of the canto, this is explained. In the third chapter, this subject is more explicit, and in the fourth chapter, even more explicit. In the second canto, the absolute truth as the personality of Godhead is further emphasized, and the indication is the Supreme Lord Krishna. The summary of Srimad Bhagavatam in 4 verses, as we have already discussed, is succinct. This Supreme Personality of Godhead in the ultimate issue is confirmed by Brahma in his Brahma Samhita as Ishvara Parama Krishna Sakchidanda Vigraha. So it is concluded in the 3rd canto of the Srimad Bhagavatam. The complete subject matter is elaborately explained in the 10th and 11th cantos of the Srimad Bhagavatam. In the matter of the changes of the Manus or Manvantaras, such as the Svayambhuva Manvantar and Kakshusha Manvantar, as they are discussed in the 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th cantos of Srimad Bhagavatam, Lord Krishna is indicated. In the 8th canto, the Vaivasvata Manvantar explains the same subject indirectly, and in the 9th canto, the same purport is there. In the 12th canto, the same is further explained, specifically regarding the different incarnations of the Lord. Thus, it is concluded by studying the complete Srimad Bhagavatam that Lord Sri Krishna is the ultimate summum bonum, or the ultimate source of all energy. And according to the grades of worshippers, the indications of the nomenclature may be differently explained as Narayan, Brahma, Paramatma, etc.